Hello everyone! This video is about something that affects us all, eating healthy during the workday. Because let's be honest, who cannot relate to this? At 11 AM you are craving for something sweet. After lunch you feel a bit sluggish and at 3 o'clock you are reaching for the cookie jar. I'm Judith and today I will show you how you can change this. And I will also share a healthy, easy and delicious lunch recipe. Let's start with why healthy eating is so important during your workday. When you eat lots of sugar and fatty snacks, your blood sugar spikes and then drops quickly. This causes those annoying energy dips and will make you crave more sugar and even more coffee. With the right nutrition, your energy stays stable and you can perform well all day long. Okay, but how do you do this in practice? Here are my best tips. Start your day right. Sit down to eat some breakfast instead of doing it in the car or standing in the kitchen while reading the latest messages on your phone. Doing physical work today? Make sure you eat some whole grain cereal products. Sitting at the desk the whole day? Then eat less grain products. Have fresh fruit, eggs or yogurt instead. No time to make breakfast in the morning? Then prepare overnight oats the evening before. It's ready in the morning and you only need to add some nuts and raisins for something truly delicious. Make sure you have healthy snacks on hand. Put them on your desk right in front of you, so you'll reach for those instead of cookies. Thirst is often mistaken for hunger. Drink enough water. An adult body consists of 60% water, so you better keep it clean. Coffee is not the same as water. Actually, coffee extracts water from your body. So, for every cup of coffee you drink, you should at least add 1 glass of water on top. The same applies to tea and drinks with sugar or caffeine added. Herbal tea, however, counts as a glass of water. So, and now the fun part. A super easy recipe you can make in only 10 minutes. So let's take a look on this recipe. This is all you need. Everything is easily available and you can prepare it in the evening before. You could also add some avocado or an egg instead of cheese or chicken. And if you want to eat vegan, just add beans for some proteins. So, here is how you make it. Look in the description below the video for the whole recipe. Spread the hummus on the wrap. This is your glue and provides lots of protein. Place the lettuce on top. This provides vitamins. Add the vegetables: cucumber, bell pepper and carrot. lots of colors. Add the cheese or chicken for extra protein. Today I prepared some delicious chicken fillet, but I also love adding smoked salmon instead. Now roll the wrap tightly and cut it in half. Of course, you can add other healthy options to make it to your own taste, like I did with the avocado today. And finally, I have a few tips to keep up the good and healthy mood. You don't have to do everything perfect right away. Start small and build it up gradually. Remember, your body is your tool. Give it the right fuel and you'll notice how much better you feel and perform. Good luck with your new healthy habits and see you next time!